Okay, so this is how to interface a temperature sensor to the Atmel microcontroller. So the temperature sensor, we've got, notice that there's you've got your slave select line, the serial clock line, and then the master input, slave output. There's no slave input because the temperature sensor is simply spitting temperature or values out. So we come up here and we see that there's we look for the slave select line. So this is SS, the slave select line. So that's going to get connected like that. And then we look for the serial clock line, and that has to be connected, whoops, right there. And then we've got the master in slave out line gets connected just like that. Okay, that's it.